Are you tired of feeling like you're just reacting to your finances instead of being in control? We've all been there, watching our money disappear without a clear sense of where it went. But what if there were a better way? What if you could turn your financial stress into a clear, actionable plan? That's the promise of budgeting apps like Rocket Money and YNAB, or You Need a Budget. Both aim to help you get a grip on your money, but they do it in fundamentally different ways. The key difference lies in their core philosophy. Rocket Money is a powerful, automated tool. It's built for those who want a hands-off approach. It connects to your accounts, identifies your subscriptions, and tracks your spending automatically. Rocket Money is about simplifying and spotting trends. It's like a super smart financial assistant that flags potential savings, helps you cancel unwanted subscriptions, and even negotiates your bills for you. It's great for getting a quick, high-level overview of your cash flow and tackling those forgotten recurring charges. It's all about making small, impactful changes with minimal effort. YNAB, on the other hand, is a complete methodology. Its core principle is give every dollar a job. This isn't just about tracking what you spent, it's about making a conscious decision for every single dollar you have before you spend it. YNAB is for the hands-on budgeter, the person who wants to be deeply engaged with their finances. It helps you build a buffer, save for larger, irregular expenses, and truly understand the impact of every spending decision. The learning curve is a bit steeper, but the payoff for dedicated users is a complete transformation in how they think about and manage money. So, which one is right for you? If you're looking for a quick win, a way to automate and get a better picture of your spending without a lot of effort, Rocket Money is an excellent choice. But if you're ready to dive deep, build new habits, and take intentional control of your financial life, then YNAB's unique zero-based budgeting method could be a total game changer. The best app is the one you'll actually use, and now you know what each one brings to the table. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.